The vibrations of this whenua has inspired songwriters to share their stories, their waiata. From the very beginning, music has united us and connected us, reaching deeply into the heart of our nation, Aotearoa. Waiata Anthems is another powerful step toward a bilingual musical landscape. Artists moving through uncertainty and hesitation into genuine pride and cultural connection. These are our stories. These are our waiata. This is our movement. Tō rātou moe moe ā, tō tātou anamata.